Hey guys, welcome back. So you guys have all been mentioning how much you miss R53 content. So luckily enough, I had some R53 stuff to do. Today, nothing too exciting because I tried to take off my 2 fingers the other day while working on the car. But I had to do spark plugs on our red manual swap R53, and then I have to hook the F56 up to the tender because its battery is dead, because the car's been sitting, because parts are all on order, and they are just keep getting back ordered. So nothing too strenuous today because my hand hurts so bad. It's unreal, but we still have to get our work done. So with that being said, let's get started. So depending how long it's been since these have been taken out, they can be very difficult to take out. To be honest, I went ahead and loosened them because it was so stuck in there. But on my other cars, I don't have this problem because they've not been sitting for as long as these ones have. So yeah, fair warning, you might get frustrated. But these ones were already loosened, so that makes it pretty easy. Alrighty. So let's hope we don't lose the little rubber grommet in here, but there we go. Not too bad. Let's see. So here is the old one. Actually not too terrible. Good news is our valve cover is in our valve cover gasket, mind you, is in good health, seeing as there's no oil on these. So that's good because valve cover gaskets are a fun job. They're not too bad, but they're a little bit time consuming. Yeah. You guys will have to let me know if you prefer listening to me talk, or if, wow, the trash guy is here again. You guys will have to let me know if you prefer listening to me talk, or if you just like the music better. I feel like this is a little more interactive, but I don't know what you guys necessarily watch me for, so let me know what you guys think. It probably was a good time to replace these, even though this motor's not that high mileage. We do have to consider the fact that it is still about 20 years old, 15 to 20 depending on the year. Yeah. I really try to be very unfazed by when things need to be replaced or they're not perfect on these cars, because I try to keep in mind that they are older cars. Even if their miles are low, things still wear and tear. And that way you're just not so frustrated when things break, because they're not meant. Okay, gotta love those little technical difficulties. So much fun. Okay, we're back in business. Let's freaking go. Just putting in the last of the plug wires. These ones suck in so much. Okay, so we should be all good for this car. We'll just start it up, make sure everything sounds okay, and then we'll be good. Okay, let's go ahead and start this one up. So this car was having a little bit of an issue with a rough idle. It just kept going up and down. And then I found out that the little air duct boot was actually pulled off of the throttle body, so that might be the problem. So I went ahead and fixed that the other day when I tried to kill my hands. And then I did the spark plugs as well, just because it's at higher mileage. So yeah, I think it's gonna be okay, actually. Okay, this car should be good now. So, no tools? No? Okay, good. I miss this car so much, but like, the shocks are so gone. They're drooping so bad. Like, stop. So, yeah, it's on break for a little while. I think I've said that before, but yeah, I miss that car. I love it so much. So So now I gotta hook the Mini up because the battery's dead, but you know, it'd be like that. Okay, so now the charger is all set up. The red Mini is done. So I think that's a wrap for today. Very exciting. No worries, there's more to come. The F56 is getting a lot done to it very soon, but never soon enough because I love this car. But there's a lot of cool things that are happening with this car, so I'm super excited. There still is R53 content, and I'm sure there will be more. Just to update you guys, the yellow JCW sold, and I think this car will be going fairly soon, and then after that the black one will be going, and then hopefully we will be getting a new Project R53 sometime soon. So yeah, peace out guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know what you think of the talking that I did in this video. Do you just prefer music? Do you want to hear me talk? You want to hear what's going on in life and what I'm currently doing? I don't know, but there is plenty of content to come, no worries. Thank you guys for all of your support. Peace out, and I will see you in the next one.